How to install ChatGPT on Windows 11. Let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Store. Now at the very top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in ChatGPT and then search for it. With that, ChatGPT app will appear. Now click on that and then click on the option Get. With that, download process will start. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. Once completion of its download process, you can launch it. Then you can shine in or shine up. And now you are able to use ChatGPT app in your PC. So this is how you can easily download ChatGPT on Windows 11. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.